Hello, and welcome to LPCH APP Preceptor Workshop. My name is Eric Stidley, and I'm a nurse practitioner with child psychology here at the hospital, one of our committee members for this workshop.
We have chosen to make the workshop in this format where we have lectures and talks that are broken up. You're welcome to complete the lectures all in one go or take on sections at different times.
There are 5 components to this workshop. The first part is about learner types that include how your student learns and how you learn. The second part is meeting different Bay Area APP faculty members. They will talk about their students and their programs and what they think will be good tools and tips for being an excellent clinical preceptor. The third part will be feedback from students about the role of the preceptor and some different strategies and tips on precepting. The fourth part will be the tool section, which is something unique. In this section, you will learn about how to create a tool to enhance your students' learning. This can also be helpful for new hires and position transfers, which we will address in that section. The last segment is guided on how to have difficult conversations. This can be applicable to both your role as a preceptor and apply equally well to practice.
We want you to enjoy this time together, as teaching is really fun and a joyful experience. We want to have the confidence that makes it fun for you and your students. Before you start the workshop, please open the workshop document section. Either print out a copy of these documents to keep, or keep the electronic version open on your computer to use as we go along. Please enjoy and have fun. With that in mind, feel free to leave feedback as this workshop is in ongoing development.